Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome from a clear but quite chilly Alaskan morning. And what I'm going to be doing shortly is heading out to the range with Ivar, and we're going to get familiarised on the weapons that he's got here. So I'm going to be using his Yugoslavian AK out here, which is quite a beast of a rifle, but it's a powerful, great bear stopping weapon. What Ivar's got is M4, and we're both going to be carrying Glocks for self-defense whilst out in the wilderness. So yeah, we're going to be heading out to the range now and just getting a bit of trigger time basically and get familiarised with those weapons. Ready?
Yep.
So I hope you enjoyed that video there, getting some rounds down, having a bit of fun on those different weapon systems. It is a bit of fun. I do enjoy going on the range and shooting. However, there's a good reason behind doing what we're doing there. Firstly, for safety. If you're not current and competent on a weapon system, then you're only going to be a danger to yourself and to other people. You know, if you have a negligent discharge, i.e. fire your weapon accidentally, you can potentially hurt yourself or someone else or worse. So you know, as much as you might think, yeah, I fired an AK before, or fired an M16 or an Armalite before, you know, if you're not current with that weapon system, then you may have a drama, because they all work slightly differently, don't they? So there's that. Secondly, you need to be zeroed in on that weapon as well, so make sure the rounds are actually hitting where you want them to hit. And we didn't show the targets there, but you know, we did actually zero those weapons as well, so we made sure those adjusted for my shooting style and type. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed that video, and this is just basically getting started in Alaska. We've got lots more interesting stuff to come, and hope you enjoy the series of videos that I'm going to be putting out. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and as always, stay prepared.